Children, linear magnification produced by a spherical mirror. It is defined as the ratio of height of image to the height of object, h2 by h1. h2 is the symbolic representation of height of image and h1 is the height of the object here. So children, there are some more cases. If h2 is greater than h1, then m will be here, m will be greater than 1. This ratio will be greater than 1 if h2 is greater than h1. Okay. Now, in second situation, if h1 is equals to h2, means the height of image and the height of object both are same. This will happen in case of concave mirrors when the object is at C. Okay. In this case, magnification is equals to 1. So, if the magnification is equals to 1, it shows that the height of image is equals to the height of object. Now, the third situation is h2 is less than h1. In this case, magnification is smaller than 1. Okay. So, if the magnification is smaller than 1, it indicates that the size of image is smaller than the size of the object. Okay. There are some more conditions. Fourth condition, if the image is real, so real images are always inverted. Okay. So according to sign convention, we will take downward height as negative. So here m is equals to h2 by h1, but h2 is negative, means magnification is a negative value. So children, if magnification is negative, it shows that the nature of image is real and inverted. And fifth case, if the image is virtual, and virtual images are always erect, so the magnification is h2 by h1 and it is positive value. So children, if in any numerical it is given the magnification is positive, it means that the image is virtual and erect. Okay children, now move to some examples. If it is written that magnification is equals to -2, what does it mean? So here we will see this sign and this numerical value separately. Sign shows nature of image, okay, and the numerical value shows the size of image. Okay children, so here we can see that the magnification is negative. The negative magnification indicates that the nature of image is real and inverted. Okay, and here the numerical value is greater than 1. So it shows that the image is greater than the size of the object. Children, if the magnification is plus 0.6, what does it mean? It means that the nature of image is virtual and erect and it is smaller than the size of the object. Sometimes it is asked that it is a magnification produced by one spherical mirror, name the type of mirror. So it is a situation of convex mirror, because convex mirror always forms virtual images and the image formed by convex mirror is always diminished or smaller than the size of the object. So this is the situation of convex mirror and this is the situation of concave mirror, because convex mirror never forms real image. Okay children, if it is asked identify the mirror whose magnification is plus minus 3, means positive case is also there, negative case is also there. So this is a situation, this is the condition for concave mirror only, because only concave mirror will form both types of images, real images as well as virtual image, and virtual as well as enlarge. Okay. So when the object is held between pole and focus, it will form enlarged virtual image. So in this case magnification will be +3, and when the object lies between C and F, in that case also concave mirror forms enlarged image, but it is real. Okay children. So this is all about magnification. Thank you children.